Hello YouTubers, my name is Justin Bagano, and welcome to the next unboxing video. So it's the bus and depot set. They contain a lot of buses, but there's 3 of them. Tracks not included. So that's why they don't include the tracks. I'm putting them there, not this one. Another work kit list. So here we go. 1, 2. Nothing inside here, and then there's a third one. So there's the first one. I will open it right now. And it's on the same NOVA bus as I got from 2016. Yeah, 2016. Looks pretty cool, but the top is kind of bad off. But it still looks pretty cool to me. Then the next, opening this box. Let's see if inside. The Munipals bus. I had that from a long time ago, but why in 2019? Looks pretty cool. The old one was painted off. So here's the last one. Hope it's the new one. And there's the. And I never got this bus before. That's why it's another NOVA bus, but the face is quite different. And the front as well. And focus camera. Here's the back. Yep. So that's all 3 buses. Including I have the ones in the shelf. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.